Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Today we're going to do a quick puzzle book mastery review and a demo. Be sure to stay till the end because when you pick this up, I'm going to have a few bonuses that I know you're going to be interested in. All right, let's get into it. So here we are on the sales page for introducing puzzle book mastery. Now I scrolled down a little bit here to show you the actual box shot. So let's scroll back up to the top. So finally, a proven sustainable online business, set and forget passive profits and yours for the taking. It's going to walk you through all the things you can do here. It's going to talk about how profitable puzzles are. You're going to see there currently it's at $27. That's the sale price. You can see the types of puzzles that it produces here. There's a little video here on the sales page you can take a look at, but of course you're going to know everything about it by the time we get done here with this review and demo. So again, this is Puzzle Book Mastery. So let's go ahead and just hop right into the software and take a look. Okay. So once you get your copy, once you purchase Puzzle Book Mastery, you'll get a login. You'll log right in, and you can see the screen here that I've logged into. As you can see, you have 0 available because here's the thing: Puzzle Book Mastery will actually create the puzzles, but you have to create the words so it can create the puzzles. Okay. The only thing one thing you don't have to do is for the Sudokus. So for the Sudokus, it will actually make the Sudoku puzzles for you. So basically what he's done is Ken has created a set of numbers that generates an algorithm for Sudoku. Of course, that's way over my head when it talks about the programming. Even the Sudoku puzzles, I'm not a Sudoku or a Sudoku, a Sudoker. Anyway, I don't do Sudoku puzzles, but anyway, you can see there the Sudoku puzzles are created for you. And then if you scroll down all the way to the end, you can see right here that you have the answer key for the Sudoku puzzles. So those are literally push button. Okay. And of course you can select different levels right there. Everything else, cryptograms, crosswords, word scrambles, word matches, you actually have to come up with the puzzles because you're going to want to theme those, right? So if they're for kids, if they're for adults, you have a certain type of theme, superheroes, whatever. And that's what I'm going to show you right here with word searches. So inside of word searches right here, you'll see, again, 0 are available. So there is full training here that walks you through all this. I'm just going to show you real quick inside the basics. But Ken is actually inside of Puzzle Book Mastery here. He's giving you how to the step-by-step training on how to operate the program. But he also talks about case studies, niche research, AMS, which is the Amazon marketing service, where you can actually run ads. He has some Canva training. He talks about showing you how to build activity books and actually uploading all this stuff into Amazon to get it published on Amazon. He covers all that inside of the training. But again, that's the training inside of Puzzle Book Mastery. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go ahead and upload word searches. So you'll see here it says browse to drag up to 10 files. Make sure there are no apostrophe single quotes in the file names. Okay. Again, this is all explained in the training, but just for the quickness of this review and demo, what I've done here is I've created 4 very, very simplistic files for word searches. So the first word in each set of word search files is going to be the name of the puzzle or the theme. Again, this is all explained in the training, so just for a quick demo. So what I've created here, and you have to do these in multiples of 4. Again, this is all explained. It's just to keep the programming on the back end, a sanity check for him to be able to always have a constant reference. Again, going to get into the programming stuff, but this program makes it super simple. You just have to follow a few instructions. Of course, again, park, animals, and you can see the theme that I'm going here for. Of course, this would be for like ages 6 or 7, just small words that kids can spell. Fruit, apple, banana, orange, pear, and some toys, a truck, a Lego, a doll, and a robot. So I have those 4 files right there. So what you do here is you can click here to upload, and then when you click here to upload, you can just grab all 4 of those files, or if you have more, and you just open them. And then what it does is it uploads them. Files uploaded, click the button, click continue. It says allow 90 seconds to complete, because it's got to obviously upload these and then process them on the back end of the server. So that takes just a couple seconds. And now you see that I have 4 available here. So I have 4 word sets available for searches. And of course, this will drop down, and this will always be in increments of 4. Until it reaches a certain level, then the number gets bigger. Again, Ken explains all that inside of the training. Okay, now there is an advanced version of this. So if you click on this advanced tab, once you actually upload them, you'll see here that you have the ability to select different puzzles. So to say you upload 100 puzzles and you wanted them all in there, and then you wanted to create certain themes depending on the complexity of the puzzle or whatever, you'd be able to go in and select these. But you can see here we have all 4 readily available for us. So you would just select those and it would create the puzzle. But we're going to go back. And we're just going to go ahead and use the drop down and hit the 4. And then down here you say output PDF to browser. We're going to do this one first, and we're just going to go ahead and make the puzzle. And you're going to see that it's instantly just going to create it in a new tab in your browser. And there you go. You have puzzle number 1, which is park. And then of course you have all the words down here. And of course you have the grid here. And if you can solve it that quick, you can find the words right there on the screen. Okay? But you're going to see these puzzles were all created for us instantly. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to even see the puzzle solutions down here, where it actually shows you where the words are for each one. Okay? So that is it in a nutshell. That is Puzzle Book Mastery. That is how you create. So each one of these, again, in the training, is going to walk through exactly how to do those. And that's how you would create word searches. Okay? So now, let me just go ahead and show you step outside of Puzzle Book Mastery and show you the way you can manipulate these files and complete the demo here to create a book. So another feature inside of Puzzle Book Mastery, when you create the books, when you actually make the puzzles, instead of opening a PDF in a browser where we get that new tab there, you can actually output PDFs in a zip file, which gives the ability to download the files, and they're going to be separated. You're going to have the puzzles in one sheet. You're going to have the puzzle answers in another PDF. They're going to be split. Okay, let me show you real quick what I'm talking about, and this will make a lot more sense. So you click Make Puzzles, and it's going to think about it in the background, and what it's going to do is, again, it's going to create this zip file. So click here to download the zip file of puzzles, and you're going to click here, and it's going to download, and you're going to see that zip file. Then what you're going to do is you're going to open that. It's going to unzip it, and inside of there, you're going to have a folder, and inside the folder is going to have some instructions, and then you're going to have puzzle files. Again, Ken covers all this in the training, so don't worry. Once you get your copy and you get inside, you're going to watch the training, and it's going to make all kinds of sense to you. He even walks you through how to do this and how to merge these PDFs to create books. So now what we have is we have the word search. See, you just have the word search as you saw earlier, but it doesn't have the answers. Okay? And then you have the answer key, so you have them separate. Okay? So what I have here is something that I've created, and it's called Just for Fun, Book of Mazes, Solve the Maze. So I have a group of mazes here. So let's say we want to create a puzzle book, right? And we want to include mazes, because one of the things that Ken doesn't have in here, he doesn't have mazes, okay? So what I used real quick is I used another product called Simply Maze Crazy, and I'll put a little card here, up here in the screen, where I did a review of that, and you can take a look at that. And then the next card that you see will be a review of where I used Puzzle Book Mastery and Simply Maze Crazy together. But I just wanted to demo this real quick to show the power and show the training that you're going to get here inside of Puzzle Book Mastery, because this is where I actually learned how to do this inside of Puzzle Book Mastery, the training. Okay? So again, we have those two files. Get back to that. We have those two files, and those two files are the word search and the word search answer. Okay? So we're going to hop over to a little program called Merge PDF Files, or that merges PDF files, called ilovepdf.com. In the training, I believe Ken uses something called Small PDF. Doesn't really matter, whatever your preference is. I prefer this one. I know how to use it, so that's why I'm demoing this in my review. Okay? So again, what we're going to do is we're going to drop these files in here. So we'll drop that file in there. Okay, and you see that? Then we'll drop these other two files in there. Now we have the word search puzzle, and we're going to move that over and be the first page. So then you're going to have the puzzles. Then you're going to have Just for Fun Book of Mazes. So you're going to have word search puzzles. Then you're going to have mazes. Then you're going to have the answer key for the word search. And then you're going to merge those PDFs. It's going to think about that for a second. And then you're going to download that merged PDF. And then when you download that merged PDF, now again, you're going to see you have your animal puzzles, which you see right there, that puzzle maze, puzzle mastery. Wow. Yes. Puzzle book mastery created. Now let me go back to where I was. Jumping around here. Okay. This is the merged PDF. Puzzle number 1, animals. Puzzle number 2, toys. Okay. Fruit, park. Okay. Now here's where it gets interesting. This is the merged PDF, remember. Just for fun, book of mazes. Now you have your mazes that you can solve. As you can see right there, you got all these mazes that I created. Okay. And I've merged these together, and then towards the end, what you're going to have is the answer key for your puzzles. So now you've created a combination puzzle book here of word search and mazes. Again, this is just one little step outside just to give you an idea of what's possible inside of low content publishing and puzzle books, with the first step being puzzle book mastery. Okay? So again, this is puzzle book mastery. These are all the different types: cryptograms, Sudokus, word matches, word scrambles, word searches, all the instructions, all the training. It's all right here inside puzzle book mastery. Okay, so there you go. That is it in a nutshell. Puzzle book mastery. That's my review. That's my demo. But before you go, I want to talk about those bonuses, and those bonuses that you're going to see. And I'm going to go ahead while we're here. I'm going to copy that right into the directory that I'm going to share with you. So here's the puzzle set that we created. So those were the 2 independent files that we created right there. And then what we did when we created that, remember, it was I Love PDF. We merged that. So we're talking about the bonuses that I'm going to share with you when you pick up Puzzle Book Mastery. And I'm going to copy that right there into this directory. So inside this directory, you're going to get the I Love PDF merge file. You're going to get the Just for Fun book in Microsoft Word and in Keynote, or not Keynote, sorry, Pages. So if you're on a Mac, so for Windows you have you have Word. For Mac you have Pages. You have the PDF Just for Fun puzzle book, and then you're going to have all the mazes right here that I used inside of that PDF. So again, I'm going to give you all those as a bonus when you pick up Puzzle Book Mastery. Those will be down. You'll get those in the download area. So when you purchase Puzzle Book Mastery, I'll go ahead and there'll be another card here, or I'll link in the description to a YouTube video if you're not familiar with purchasing on the Warrior Plus Marketplace where Puzzle Book Mastery is sold. But that's where all of these files will be there for you to access. Just be a button you'll click, access your bonuses after you access your purchase. All these files, the merged PDF, the Word, and the Pages version. So it's fully editable, and all the mazes for you to use, they're yours. Use them however you want. Create whatever you want with them. Again, those are your bonuses when you pick up Puzzle Book Mastery. This has been a review and a demo. I'm Gary Baker with 30minutemarketing.net. I hope this has been very informative for you, very helpful. If it has, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions about Puzzle Book Mastery or low content publishing. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Go ahead, subscribe. Go ahead and push the little bell notification button so you get all the new videos. Okay? And that's it. Puzzle Book Mastery. Again, Gary Baker, 30minutemarketing.net. I will talk to you later. Bye.